Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how I can reset the service indicator or an oil indicator of a Toyota Yaris 2017 newer model Yaris. I'm going to show you how you can reset the indicator on the dashboard manually. Before we start, have a look at our channel, Service Reset My Car. We have more than 350 other videos on how to reset different kind of cars. Different model cars. Have a look. If you have any questions, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, we'll have a closer look on this car. Okay, first of all, the first step is turn the ignition on like this. Then we have two buttons, the trip button over here. You have to have the overall odometer over here. Change that by pressing the trip button. Yes, once you have the overall odometer, turn the ignition off. Press this button, trip button. Keep pressing that. Turn back on the ignition. And as you can see, the overall odometer will flash, and press it till it stops flashing. And once it stops flashing, the service indicator has been reset. So once again, turn off the ignition, press the trip button, keep pressing it till the overall odometer stops flashing, and once it stops flashing, the service indicator has been reset. That was it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and it did help you to reset your own Toyota Yaris, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.